Hi folks, good morning again. This is Marcel. This is the Amtrak 729 headed to San Jose Diridon station. Here it comes.
Captain Porter, train number 7.
That's G-Volt on 729. Hi G-Volt. That's G-Volt on there. 2123. 2123. What up? 4-car set. 80, and the cat car is 8301 Mount Whitney. That's a good set. So this is Amtrak Capital Corridor Train 729. Now boarding. Alright folks, Alright folks, 729 highballing out of here. 2123 is the SE44 Charger. Jivo is the driver of the train. Bye-bye, Jivo. All right, take care now.
You too. All aboard?
You like all aboard? I love these conductors. They're pretty funny. 8301 Mount Whitney. Mount Whitney on this one. All right, they got that train on its way to San Jose. Heads up to David Jones. 729 has 2123 at 8301 with Jivo driving the train. I'm Marcel Hall. Have a good one. Bye-bye. All right, folks. Coming up next is Amtrak 728 going to Sacramento Capital Corridor train. Arriving at the Oakland Coliseum station. 6962 Point Bonita leads off. Point Bonita. Once again, 728 arriving at Oakland Coliseum, Oakland Station. Oakland Airport Station. Alright folks, we will pause here for a second for the departure of 728. We'll be right back. Alright folks, we are back. This is Amtrak 728 going to Sacramento, highballing at the Oakland Coliseum station. Good horn show for 6962 Point Bonita leaves off. Point Bonita. I need to ride on that cat car one day. And the charger in the back is SE44 Seaver Charger 2107. Alright folks, there it goes. Like that sign says on 2107, he is going to Sacramento. Home on the Sacramento A's and the Sacramento Kings. Alright folks, I am Marcel Hall. Thank you for watching. Have a good Sunday. Be safe everybody. Bye-bye.